Hi, Etta here. Welcome back to my channel. Super quick video here. I want to see if I can entice my dog into coming to get her toys that came in from Chewy. Xena! Xena! Come see what Mama got for you. She doesn't seem to want to come. Xena! All right, Xena decided to come in and see what she got. Look, Zizi, Mama got this for you, look. Nice rope with the ball that, yeah. You wanna see? Let's see. You like that? Mama got that for you. Want that? Up here. You like you just want to lick it, huh? There you go. Wait, Mama got more. Mama got more. Xena, where you going with that? You gonna go hide it somewhere? Mama got frog. Xena. Mama got frog. Come see the frog. Oh yeah, you love froggies, huh? Look at the froggy. Look. Even the froggy makes noise. Look. You like that, froggy? Come see the froggy. You like the froggy? Uh-oh, somebody's playing with your toy over in the other room, huh? Mama got you 2 froggies. And she got you this flying squirrel. It's a flying squirrel, kind of like a frisbee that you're supposed to throw and it's supposed to land where it's easy to pick up. That is really cute. Xena, come see your squirrel. Look at the squirrel right here. Oh, goodness. Wait. Come see. Over here. Over here. Squirrel. Come here. Come here, squirrel. Come see the squirrel. Right here. I know you're looking for a real one, huh? I'm sorry, Mama. Mama teasing you with that, huh? I'm sorry. Yeah. You want to go find the real one, don't you? Aw. Where are you? Xena, you want to go find the real squirrel? You want Mama to let you go out in the backyard? Yeah, you want to go outside? Okay, Mama gonna go open up for you. See y'all.